50 amazing facts about wild animals that will blow your mind. 1. Most mammals have a red tongue, but giraffes are an exception. They have blue tongues. 2. Crocodiles have appeared on Earth since the time of the dinosaurs. 3. Now only 1% of all species of wild animals that have ever existed live on Earth. 4. Among other wild animals, more than 6,000 species of reptiles alone are known, and new species are discovered every year. 5. The electric eel lives in the rivers of South America, the body of which is capable of producing an electric current of 1,200 volts, while the current strength reaches 1,2 amperes. 6. Ferrets can sleep up to 20 hours a day, the only worthy competitor to a ferret can only be a sloth. 7. The cheetah is the fastest predator on the planet. It can reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour, but it will not be able to climb trees. 8. Also, the cheetah is the only one that does not know how to hide its claws, it also does not know how to meow and growl, but it purrs. 9. Blue whales are real champions among all wild animals. At birth, a baby whale weighs about 3 tons, a year later its weight reaches 26 tons. 10. The chameleon is able to throw out its tongue to the length of its body and even more. 11. There are about 70,000 in the world species of spiders and about 3,000 species of lice. 12. The largest scorpion, the blue one, was only discovered in 2006. 13. The fastest bird in the world is the ostrich. He runs at speeds up to 44 miles per hour. Few wild animals can develop such speed. 14. A wolf pack may consist of 2 or 3 individuals, or may include 10 times more of these wild animals. 15. The eyes of wolf cubs always blue at birth. They only turn yellow at 8 months. 16. The wandering albatross and the Andean condor have the largest wingspan, 10 feet. 17. Hippopotamus sweat contains red and orange pigments that absorb ultraviolet light and act like sunscreen on its skin. 18. 75% of wild birds live less than 6 months. 19. A hungry wolf can eat 22 pounds of meat in one city, it's as if a person ate almost 100 hamburgers in one city. 20. There are 30 species of wild animals on Earth from the cat family. 21. Tigers, well known to all, have an interesting feature of pigmentation, not only their hairline, but also the skin itself has a striped color. 22. The tongue of a snail has approximately 25,000 tiny teeth. 23. In a day, a hummingbird can eat twice as much food as it weighs. 24. Dolphins sleep one eye remains open. 25. A gorilla can lift 10 times its own weight. It is the strongest wild animal among mammals. 26. The first event in the life of a small giraffe is a fall from a height of 1.5 meters. 27. Tiger claws reach a length of about 4 inches. So do bear claws. 28. Giraffes have the largest heart among land animals, even larger than elephants. 29. The most dangerous wild cat is the tiger. It is dangerous to turn your back even to trained animals, this predator is able to hide its readiness to jump or strike. 30. Whales can hold their breath for 2 hours. 31. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. 32. A whale's heart beats 9 times a minute. 33. The pupils of an octopus are rectangular in shape, This is no longer found in any wild animal at all. 34. Bee stings kill more people than snake bites. 35. Giraffes can run at a speed of 31 miles per hour, that is, faster horses. 36. Anteaters, freedom-loving wild animals, eat mainly termites, but ants are eaten extremely rarely. 37. The heart of a hummingbird beats at a speed of up to 1,200 beats per minute. 38. The owner of the largest brain in relation to body size in the animal world is an ant. 39. Wild animals that cannot drink the longest are not camels at all. These are rats. 40. Unlike other big cats, lions hunt in large groups. One part of which is waiting in ambush, and the second lures the victim to the right place. They do it all in a pretty smooth and technical way. 41. Of all the cats, tigers are the only ones that like to swim in the water. 42. A bee must fly around at least 2,000 flowers to make just 1 gram of honey. 43. When attacking prey, sharks close their eyes so that prey does not injure them if they resist. 44. Contraceptives work on gorillas' tablets designed for humans. 45. Despite their impressive size, lions have the smallest heart of any predator on Earth. 46. Cats only meow with humans, never each other. 47. Some fish living off the coast of Antarctica have a blood temperature of about 1,5 degrees. A special natural antifreeze contained in their blood helps them not to freeze. 48. An elephant drinks up to 24 gallons of water per day. 49. African leopards can jump up to 16 feet from a place into trees. 50. Tigerfish, relatives of piranhas, live in the rivers of Africa. They also attack people who swim. Especially dangerous is a large tigerfish up to 3,5 feet long.